Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer. Let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies and for your love energies, Cancer. So I'll be picking few cards from these decks, guys, and I'll be giving the angel guidance message at last. Five of Cups, Three of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. Cancers, the energy with these cards is that, guys, you are getting some kind of a new beginning. You are really happy about it. This may be regarding your work or in this relationship. Maybe for some of you all, you are healing from a breakup. You would have felt that great stress, some kind of emotional loss in the past. So you are healing from that. So maybe sometimes instead of thinking and brooding over what we have lost, we should look back at the things that we have today, guys. So maybe certain people are there in our life, whoever they are, who stand by us, who provide comfort to us. So we need to take them into consideration instead of brooding over the past. It is time you have to move on, guys. So that is the energy. And maybe for some of you all, you are meeting with friends, you are sharing your past experience, or maybe if you are in this relationship, you may be having some quarrels, misunderstandings. So you should not think about the negatives that you have in this relationship. Instead of that, you should let it all go and think of the positive things that are there in this relationship, that love, that affection, whatever positive you have. And then you have to get an understanding in this relationship, communicate with this person and get over that hurt. So instead of thinking again and again about the things that we lost, we should find the way to accept what is there without that expectations. And some new beginning is coming your way, guys. So when you have that acceptance, you will surely see that freshness in your mind when you give up all that negative. That may also be the energy here, some fresh start. That may be the energy here with these cards, guys. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards. What is the energy, Cancers? Choices, House, Tower. Just like I said, so you have to end your negative energy, whatever you have, Cancer, and you have to structure your life. That is what you feel. You want to create that boundaries and structure in your life. You want to be with this kind of person, and you want to do certain things. You want to achieve certain goals. So you are making those choices you need to do to reach those goals. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Maybe if you are in a relationship with this person, you need to focus on the positive things in that relationship that gives that harmony, stability, and that deep communication with you. So whatever positive things that you have in this person, you must focus on that instead of the negative things that you have. You may argue on certain things, you may quarrel, but you need to let it all go and have that thought in mind to let go of the negatives and see only the positive things in that person, guys. So that may also be the energy here. Maybe if you have made a choice in your life about this person, that you are getting over them, you are moving on with your life. You need to do that in such a way by what to say, clearing yourself of all the negative energy. So that is the reading here, guys. Let us see what the angels are guiding us with. I'll be picking one card from the angel deck, guys. It's an angel card. The angels guidance for us Cancers is that today we need to forgive ourselves and forgive the people in our life in a particular situation who were the reason for the stress or this emotional loss. So when you do that, when you forgive yourself and you forgive the other person concerned, you just get over the negative energy, guys, and you invite more compassion and comfort in your heart, more love for yourself and for the other person. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. So that is the reading for today, Cancers. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.